guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Gucci unboxing. I showed you guys yesterday on my Instagram that I got it delivered, and I'm super excited and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. I have talked about getting a new bag from Gucci, and it's not the Gucci Marmont camera bag. It is a different bag, and I'm just super excited. So without me slipping and telling you guys what I got, let's just get right into today's video. Before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Maria Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're that kind of thing, then please consider to hit that subscribe button, also the bell notification button, so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So yeah, let's get right into this unboxing. The box is massive. I'll show you guys. Here is the box that it comes in. And I love how Gucci provides a shopping bag when they send your package. I think it's so special when you receive everything, so it's like you're kind of shopping in store, but you're not. The bag that it comes in, I love Gucci bags. I love how minimal but like classic and just simple they are, and they feel really nice. So it just says Gucci right here, and then it has a pull tab at the top. So I'm getting the box out, and this is what the box looks like. The classic Gucci box with the black ribbon, and it says Gucci right here. I love these boxes. They are so pretty. Okay, so now I'm doing the ribbon. Here's the ribbon. And this one is a magnetic opening enclosure. So, opening it up. And I love how Gucci does the tissue paper wrapping. I wish LV did it, but they don't. But I just really like that touch. And it just says Gucci on the sticker. If this lighting will work with me. Here you go. Yeah, it just says Gucci right here. I'm sure you guys know what it looks like. And I'm doing it. Here is the classic Gucci dust bag. So this is the Gucci dust bag. It's the like silky material. I love how Gucci does drawstring dust bags as well, because it protects your item even more. But now I'm gonna get inside of it. And they also provided me with another dust bag, which is really nice. I don't think it's very necessary, but I mean, it protects the item, so that's good. So just unwrapping this, and they wrapped it with the like all this padding and stuff to reveal. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. This is the Gucci Dionysus small shoulder bag. I am totally obsessed with this bag. The diamonds on the jaguar heads are stunning. And let me just take all this wrapping off. Just so here she is. Yes, this is the Gucci small Dionysus shoulder bag, and I got this one with the taupe color. I am so crazy about this bag. I had no idea it came out. I guess I was just too focused on their new collection of the pastel colors. They're really pretty. I'm not too fond of the silver hardware. I would have to see it in person, because that hardware to me looks too shiny, but this one is like an aged silver hardware, and it's like a gunmetal, and I really like it because it gives it a edgy look. But I'm gonna give you guys some close-ups of the bag. So this is the Gucci canvas. This bag also comes in the red and the black suede, but this one has the taupe, I believe the exact name for it, and I just like it because it's a neutral color. It goes with whites, grays, blacks, and it's just really, really pretty. So on the side it also features suede, and then also on the bottom. So this is kind of like my mini Dionysus, and I'm so obsessed with this one because, like I said, my mini Dionysus was too small for me, and the strap was too short on me, and it fit really nicely, but it was just not comfortable for me. So I'm really happy because this bag features a way longer chain where you can actually wear it crossbody very comfortably, or you can wear it as a shoulder bag. And now we're gonna get into the inside, but let me just show you these diamonds on this clasp closure. It is so beautiful. It has like a tint of blue and it's just really pretty. So like the other Dionysus, this one has a push button opening closure, so it just pops right open, and when you open it up it has the suede. And let me just take this out. So it's just some stuffing and the responsibility cards, how to take care of the item. But when you open it, it has the suede taupe color. It has this little flap where you can put your phone or card. This bag features the suede. It gives the bag a very luxurious look to it. And then at the bottom of the bag it has that canvas, which is really nice. And then it has that tag that says Gucci made in Italy, so that's really nice. And here is the back of the bag. It doesn't have the suede pocket like the bigger version does of these bags, and I really am grateful that they didn't put the suede pocket, because I've heard that if it has the suede pocket it does color transfer, so I'm really glad that this bag doesn't. And overall the canvas is just really beautiful. It is like a coated canvas, it's very durable, and I just think Gucci canvas is just stunning, and it's just so pretty to look at. And then the strap on this bag is not removable. It is held by these two silver little like hook things, I don't know what you would call them, but it's holding the strap. And this overall, the bag is stunning. I did notice that the strap is thicker than my mini Dionysus, which is really nice, and it just looks really nice and well put together with this bag. So overall this bag is stunning, and I'm so happy that I was able to get this bag. Also when I was online it was saying that it was back ordered, and then the day after I checked again and it was available. So I'm really glad that I was able to get this bag. And I overall just love this bag because of how much bigger it is than the mini. I could fit so much more, and I do plan on doing a what's in my bag on this bag. And yeah, I'm just super excited, and I'm so happy that I was able to get this. It was so funny because I was looking on the Gucci website in their like crossbody section, and I had no idea this was on that like category. And I clicked on it and I was scrolling through the pictures, and I was like, wait, this is a new bag. This is the bigger version of the mini. And I was just looking into it, and I saw only one video that someone posted on YouTube, and I watched that and I was just like, wow, this is a new version bag. I had to get it just to check it out and all. And I'm just so happy to start using it and to see how I like this bag. So yeah, that is my little unboxing for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions about the bag or any video suggestions, leave them down in the comments, or you can go and talk to me on Instagram. I will put my name on the screen. Please go follow me. I'm currently doing a giveaway until the 30th of June. So if you'd like to enter a chance of winning the LV key pouch, I would love for you to enter. Good luck to everyone that has already entered. And yeah, have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.